How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do the temperature tower test in Prusa Slicer. So the first thing that you want to do is to get yourself the temp tower PLA file. Now you could just search this up on Google and you will be able to download it for yourself. From there, it's as simple as dragging in your STL file inside your plate and you will be able to see that right here. So let's click on the preview option, which will then slice the plate itself. And from here, we are going to use this navigation bar. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the bottom of your layer right here, where you can then go ahead and see this 210 PLA. You also want to make sure to set your filament into a PLA right here. So heading back to our starting temperature, which in our case it's going to be 210. You want to right click on the plus icon, click add custom G code, and then from here you want to type something like M104 S210. Since our starting temperature is going to be 210, click on OK, and then it will then show up right here. So for our second layer, it's going to be 205, so on and so forth. So you can just navigate through the part where you are going to change the temperature. You then want to replace this onto the next one. So in our case, it's going to be S205. And then once again, we want to progress into the next one, which is going to be 200. And of course, so on and so forth. So you could just do the same thing for the entire tower. And from there, you will be able to print this tower into multiple temperature to see which temperature works best for your filament settings or your printer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.